Hi, this is Mayank here. I have come from Bombay. This is my wife Shilpa, son Abhimanyu, and daughter Nandini. We had come here in the month of October for a period of 2 weeks to do some yoga and learn about this place. That was the first time we visited Kevaladham. We liked this place so much that we decided to come back again here, and this time we had come here for almost for a month. We came with our family so that the Abhimanyu, my son, could have a good time. He, in fact, went up the hills, down the hills to the lake, enjoyed his time here. He fed the fishes, did his gardening, etc. He had a good time here with the people around here. I had come specifically to get treated for my cholesterol because last 14 years my cholesterol was not going down, and in fact the day I came here I got my blood test done here in the path lab which is here, and then we got our blood test done yesterday and in between also, and this place has worked magic for us. What has not been happening for last 14 years, in last 15 days it has started to come down, in another 15 days it has come down very significantly to be noted. So what I did here was I did yoga, which yoga teachers were specifically designing for me and helping me do that. The Ayurveda Acharya Dr. Bhutra had designed specific kadas for me, which I was having at regular interval. Dr. Ritu, who is a naturopath here, designed my entire diet plan. So the yoga teacher combined with the Ayurveda Acharya and Dr. Ritu, the dietitian, helped me bring my cholesterol down, which is a magic because last 14 years it has never come down. And not only it has come down, it has come down significantly, which proved that I don't have to take any allopathic medicines. And yoga, which is a natural thing, along with Ayurveda and diet, if you follow it properly and in a coordinated manner, will work magic for you. For me, it worked for cholesterol. I believe it would work for all lifestyle and other diseases as well. So I would strongly recommend coming to this place with a good time in hand so that you can see how it works wonder on your body as well. Thank you.
Uh, we had a good time, but I would say people who have small children like us should come here
With the kids.
because they have so much to do here. There's so much of nature to absorb. There are so many activities, there's so much of sanskar which you wouldn't even realize that kids have observed already. My son would just sit idly in the yoga class, just observe. And then all of a sudden, when he went to the mountain, he wanted to chant Om. So we were not expecting, but then just things just happen just like that. When in city like Bombay, you have to put extra efforts. Here, things just happen simultaneously without putting any efforts.
Thank you, Kevaladham.